Hermit's Rest Trail. Getting a start. Whew. Headed to the bottom.
Whew. Eric is tough, I'll tell you what. You got to slow down.
Whew, that's good. Good looking, man. That's amazing.
Beautiful here.
Beautiful stuff. Alright. So we're a little ways in down Hermit's Trail. There's the rest of the group.
You guys want to get up here and I'll take your picture? There you go, yeah.
Alright. We made it to Lookout Point.
Alrighty. We're looking at Lookout Point.
But I just thought maybe it was the
spaghetti, coffee.
Because it hadn't hurt me at all. And then the morning that cold front blew in, man, it started hurting. But it really hurts now.
Here's Chef Scott, who put together all the meals. So what do we have?
This is Oriental chicken.
Oriental chicken.
Oriental chicken. Yeah, but the key is to make sure everybody comes home alive after they've been eating. That's the only thing we care about. No, it's good. It is good. There's no one's on it.
All right. Day 2, morning. It's got a little chilly last night.
Yeah.
Couldn't straighten my legs out on my back. If I bent my legs at all, this
There's the Colorado River.
nice shot.
Too much sun there, but
The only problem is the tendonitis of the right knee is killing me. That really hurts on the downhill. So we did 10 miles yesterday. We're doing about 4.5 miles today, and then 10 miles tomorrow. And then 6 miles last day.
I don't think you guys get winded like I do, though.
Alright, it's time for siesta in the tarp. There's on my back door. Here's my pack that I'm taking. It's a little small for this long of a trip, I'm finding out. There's Granite Rapids on the Colorado River at the bottom of the Grand Canyon. And that's Mr. Joe, Screaming Joe, taking a bath.
That elbow swollen?
It is swollen.
Yeah, I thought so.
So this is a...
I hope I didn't break the darn thing.
I don't think this is a Wild Bill who took a tumble off the off the trail and could have fallen a good distance.
Thank God for that. But I didn't.
That was amazing. That was an amazing stop.
Like one serving among all of y'all. No, not that much. But...
Have you ever read Patrick F. McManus?
No.
He has a short story called How to Go Splat. And, you know, he talks about getting style points and
What's that?
on and on.
Here, Dave. Those are yours.
Awesome.
And they get like a magnifying glass and look, and they're like, oh my gosh, it's like a mountain lion. So they take the negative or whatever, or however they do that, I don't know, maybe on a computer, and they blow the picture up, and sure enough, the guy literally like if I'm standing right here holding the elk up, there's a mountain lion like right there at that tree, crouched up on a rock. And you can just see him between the limbs, and he's just sitting there looking at the guy. I mean, could have leapt on him at any moment. And so they blew up several pictures, and Betty sent me a...
All right.
Are you flipping them?
I am. So it's morning, day 3. And we have the Wounded Warrior, the butt kicker hike today. 10 miles to Indian Gardens.
I don't have any butt left to kick.
we
left it up on Hermit's Trail up there.
Oh, everything's on fire. All right. We'll see if we're alive at the end of today.
Yeah.
All right. We found a friend on the trail.
That wasn't enough to worry about.
Oh, why did you do that?
Look at that. That's a pretty snake, though.
He's telling you he's tough. Look at that.
I'm sure he's tough. I wouldn't. The amount of venom in the smaller ones, they inject larger doses than the larger ones.
Because they don't know how to control it.
Right.
That is a pretty.
It is a pretty snake.
He's shaking his tail.
Yeah, that is definitely a pygmy rattler.
I don't know.
Well, that is sweet.
You think a pygmy, or is that just a little diamondback?
I think it's a pygmy.
Not a diamondback.
I don't think this is going to show up on the video. Some mule deer out there. A couple of bucks. Anybody got a 30-06 on them?
You got a rock.
If you kill a mule deer with a rock, I will give you a big prize. Especially from this distance.
Yeah, look at that. Wow. My arm ain't what it used to be. Of course, I don't think even at its best it wouldn't get it. I'm perfectly fine. Go ahead.
Okay, boys and girls, this would not be the place to slip and fall.
Y'all doing a panoramic?
Yeah.
I'll let you guys do it.
Whew.
Actually, I'm doing a video.
Oh. If you're doing a video.
That would be instant death.
Yeah, you fell down there, that'd be your last breath.
Howdy, Scott.
Video? Yeah.
It's a little warm today.
Just a tad.
Look over your shoulder. What a view.
It's taut. That's my
So what critter, the squirrels pretty much at the end of the day, you don't put anything in your tent, you gotta put everything in the thing.
They said day or night.
That's what I'm saying, when you're in bed and everything else like that. I mean, when we say food, or are we talking about?
I would put any kind.
Alright, Dave and I are bailing. Getting out a day early because of our knees. We're going to get the pain over with. So that little patch of green down there, that's Indian Gardens. How's the knee, Dave?
I feel it is still there.
Alright. We're at the top of the Bright Angel Trail. How long did it take us?
4 hours and 4 hours 11 minutes.
4 hours 11 minutes. Oh, that's 5 hard miles right there. Whew.
How long is the trail?
Which one? There's Indian Gardens. You made it out. I gotta get Bruce coming out.
She said that.
2 hours and 45 minutes up.
Haha.
I'm about to fall over.
How was that climb out?
Every part of my body is soaking wet sweat.
That's a heck of a hike.
Never ending switchbacks.
Yeah.
We did it.
You let Joe beat you?
Bear, I think beat me. I couldn't keep up. Pulled out of camp at 8:15.
Last 2 miles will kill you.
Man, it gets harder to go.
Oh my
I
God.
know. I thought the hardest part was between 1.5 and 3 mile rest house.
My goal was 11. I'm surprised we seriously.
You made it!
That was my goal. Real beating.
Bruce, how you doing? That's a little bit of a butt kicker, isn't it?
That we had to stop like every 2 switchbacks because like his knee and my knee would just burn.
Yay!
So Mike, how was that last mile?
Take a picture of me?
That's all video.
Oh,
We want the full glory of the pain of the last mile.
it is a pain, yes.